Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Durable, how to create a website for your board games business on Durable easy and quick. So first search Durable on the search. Durable website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So also here you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first of all, let's sign in. Now create your new business. Enter your business name and select your industry. Now enter your location and choose your website language and create business. Now wait a few seconds to generate this website. Now let's go to the first section of the website is the header section. You can change your site name if you don't like it. If you want to turn this on, the logo and upload the file. And here you can add a label. You can change this or this of the header. If you want to manage your social link settings, also if you want to add external link here, and here you can add the channel and just select the type of the social link, and here you can add the link. So let's save this. If you want to add the section on the website, any section you want, just select the section. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. The banner of the website. Here you can change this. You can regenerate it just like this. Also the subtext, if you don't like it, you can generate it another one. If you want to change the label here, and also here if you want to add the link, and if you want to turn this on and open link in a new page, you can save this. And let's move on to the next section. This is the image of the website. You can generate another one here if you want to edit the image position. So let's save this. Let's move on to the next section. This is the text of the website. If you want to regenerate this, so let's save it and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the list of the website. You can edit it from here. Just click edit. Here you can change this. You can manage your display settings. Just choose what will be displayed for each list item. If you want to manage your list items here, and here you can add the list item, and you can generate image. You can edit this image position, and here you can generate the title and generate the content. Also if you want to add a label and add the link, so let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the testimonials section of the website. You can add testimonials. Here you can generate a code, or you can generate by who. And if you want to upload image here, so that's it. Let's save this and let's move on to the next section. This is the gallery of the website. You can generate this. You can change or add a heading here, and here if you want to generate image, you can upload image from browser like this. Let's pick some image. For example, I'm gonna choose this. Now just put it on the upload. Sorry, click here, and now Here you can put it and upload image, easy. If you want to generate, if you want to choose images from here, so for example I'm gonna choose this. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the location of the website. You can edit it from here if you want to change this, and here if you want to change the business address. Here you can add the text file, you can change or add the title or the content. So let's move on to the next section. The next section is the contact form of the website. You can change the contact form, the text of the contact form, and if you want to manage files, if you want to custom input labels, just turn this on and manage the settings of this custom input labels. So if you want to generate form success message like this, so let's save this and let's move on. This is the last section of the website, the footer. If you want to change the business name, and here if you want to turn this on and upload the file, also here if you want to add additional details, there you can turn this on and add a label and add a link. So I'm gonna turn this off. If you want to manage your social link settings, and if you want to add a channel, and just select the type and put your link here. So that's it. Let's save this. So if you want to regenerate the content of the section, just select the content. If you want to regenerate the style, for example, and if you want to regenerate the entire section, if you don't like the entire section, you can regenerate it. So that's it. If you want to duplicate this section, just like this. If you want to delete from here, just click delete and it will be removed. If you want to move it up or move it down like this. So let's save this and wait a few seconds to generate or to create your website. Now as you see here, just click publish and you can publish your website and get a free custom domain name. So that's it for today. That's how to publish and create your business website of the board games business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.